Hi, this tutorial will demonstrate how to create tables, how to insert data into your tables, and how to display the data that is in your tables. Okay, so we need to get into your Oracle account. So remember that we need to connect to the Sage machine in the CS lab. And then to access the Oracle Database Management System, we do SQL plus. Then it's asking me for my username, so I still will use the student account and then the password. So hopefully you already changed the default password that I gave you. There. Okay, so our first exercise will be to create a table departments. So we're gonna say create table. So the create table is a SQL statement that is a DDL component of the language, which means a data definition. So it's statement to make a definition of a table. Then I'm gonna give a name, departments. So that's the name of my table. Now I will open a parenthesis to list the attributes or the columns of the table. So the first one will be department ID. And then I need to specify the type. I will say it's a char phi. This will be my primary key. We will discuss in other tutorials and other instructional resources for this course about what is the idea of the keys and how that we design the tables. But now we're just practicing to create a table statement. We will go into the details later. Okay, department name, which is a bar chart, which means variable length, and the other is a fixed length of 5 characters. So bar chart of 25. So we got up to 25. We don't want this field to be null, so we say no null. And let's put a location, and it's another bar chart to 15. Then we close the other parentheses, and then we add the SQL statements with a semicolon, and we hit enter, and it says table created. That means that was successful. Now, if you exit what I said before, clicking the X, this table will not be in the system, will not be there anymore. So now let's insert some data into this table. So we say insert. So let's do something else. Let's list the content of the table. So we know that we just created the table, so it's an empty table, right? Let's see what happens. So select start from. So start means list all the columns on the table from departments. And there's nothing there, right? It's empty. So now let's add something. So let's say insert into departments values. Let's type CSCI quote computer science. So for if you go and see what we have in the create table, we got the department ID. So this is my department ID for that table, the department name, computer science, and then I need to specify location. So the location, let's say, is Molinero boat. Then remember that that's a variable length character, so it's like a string. So we close the parentheses, and then we type that with a semicolon. Then we hit enter, and it says one row created, so everything was successful. Again, if I want to see the contents of my table, then I do select star from departments again, semicolon, hit enter, and then I see the content of my table. Now, if I want to see just the D name, then I say select just the D name from departments. Then I end my statement with a semicolon, hit enter, and I only see that. So let's just insert one more field. So we said insert into, and then I need the name of the table, departments, values, open parentheses, single quote. Let's say now that this is the math department. So the name is mathematics. Location, I don't know, but let's say that is Wiley. But I'm typing that right. Then we'll end it, semicolon, hit enter. Then let's check again, select star from departments, semicolon. There, have those two attributes. Okay, if I want to see the description of the tables that I have, I can say something like, I'm sorry, the description, I mean, what is my table? I mean, the department can say this, describe, can say describe departments. So it gives me like the definition of my table. You see, it's the characters and all of that. Or I can just say desk instead of typing describe. I can say describe departments. Semicolon, enter. Okay, so that's the end of this tutorial. In another tutorial, I will demonstrate how is that you will post this information into your discussion session. Thank you.